Welcome back. So something different today. Some of you may or may not know that I've got an old BMW and I contemplated stripping it, and I did strip bits of it and sell them, but looking into how rare they are, I think it would be wrong to scrap this car and just sell the engine to someone, so I'm going to do her back up. And she's in a bit of a sorry state, but today the plan is to see if we can get her to run. So let's have a little walk around, see what we're working with, and then we'll see what we've got to do to see if we can get this engine running today. So here we go. So first of all, she's an 88 325i. Yeah, she doesn't look too good, does she? Because I stripped her down fully. Convertible. I mean, yeah. Still got full dash. Steering wheel need to be retrimmed. Automatic. It's got a couple of cracks on the dashboard, expected from this age of car. Carpet's all been ripped out. I actually sold the interior seats, which were, they needed to be refurbed. Oh, there's no light in here. They needed to be refurbed. They were motorsport ones. I'm not 100% sure, but they need to be refurbed. Sold the fronts to someone, sold the rear to someone, but I want to put it back to original. So I think it's anthracite cloth. I got the spec. I'll put a picture in now. That's the full spec of what it was when it was new, and that's what I want to put it back to. So yeah, what I'm going to do is now remove my Mercedes van seats, all the other rubbish around it. I know it's got a flat tyre down there, so I've brought a pump with me. Pump that up, open up, because I did sell the shroud to the radiator, so you can see the radiator in there is not at the correct angle, and I know a coolant pipe got taken off. So what I'll do is get all this out, get in the engine bay, put the coolant pipe back on, fill it up with a load of water that I brought with me. See if we can get her to run today. See if she's still got a heart. Oh, let's do this. Okay, so we moved everything, so you can see her a bit better now. So yeah, I mean, paintwork's the least of the worries. I mean, it's manual roof, it does actually all come up. So battery tray has seen better days. So I've just had to put this pipe back on here and this pipe back on here because the shroud's gone. I'm gonna put water in there, fill it up. Hopefully it'll hold a bit. Obviously I'm not gonna run it to temperature anyway. And then we'll just give it a go. Give it a go. I was gonna pump that tyre up and try and push her out, but let's see. See what the old girl can still do. Right, let's give this a go then. I don't have a battery, so I'm just going to jump start it off my Mercedes van and see what happens. Obviously the van's going to be there running and this is going to be here running, fingers crossed. So you might not be able to hear it very well over the diesel because I'm on my own. I won't be able to go turn that off and keep this running, because as soon as I turn that off Anyway, let's see if we can get her to crank. So put that on there. Just see if there's anything in her to start with. There. Okay. Let's see. It's been a while, old girl. Got anything? Oh, we've got some lights. The van's not running, so I don't think she's gonna start, but let's see. Oh. Well, she's got something there. Right. I think what we'll do is we will, first of all, put that coolant cap on over there that I've forgotten to put on. I'll take these off for a sec, just while I walk about. Put that there. Okay, I think if we start the van, I reckon. Unfortunately today was a fail, but she did crank, come back with some fresh fuel, check a couple of other things over, and then I think she might fire up. I mean, yeah, it looks ropey, and I'm probably going to take that engine out and rebuild it anyway to make sure it's all good. Everything down there, look, it all looks ropey. Welding, doors dented, holes all along the back. You can't see because obviously it's at the back of the garage, but it's got holes. It needs a new rear panel, hole there, rust there. The front arches are off, as people might know. They bolt on, bolt off, but they're not in the best condition. Good points, good points. It's an old BMW. It's convertible. 2.5 straight six. Beast of an engine. Of its day. Automatic. And I'm not going to manual convert this. It's going to stay as an auto. Only because I think loads of people convert and it will be, oh, I've gone dark in. It'll be cool to have it as that. Obviously there's a lot to do, so you're going to see many videos on this. The next one I reckon is going to be pulling her back out and getting her home, because she's been stored in here for a while. As I said, was going to strip her, was going to scrap her, but that's just wrong. especially with the government wanting electric cars everywhere. We want nice straight six BMWs on the road. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the start of this journey, of which a long journey it's going to be. During this I'm going to hopefully learn how to weld. I'm going to strip and rebuild the engine. I mean, I work on engines for a job, but they're McLaren supercar engines, so it's going to be slightly different. But rip this out, possibly get the automatic gearbox looked at, so that's all going to be good. Source interior, sort out headlining, but it's going to be good. It's going to be worth it. So please like, please subscribe so you can watch this. Please hit that bell notification so every time an E30 video drops you hear about it and you can see what I'm learning, what I'm doing, and hopefully go in the right direction. But please comment below anything that you think I should do, shouldn't do, advice, and I will see you next time. Cheers, bye.